Hello and welcome to Creator Corner. My name is Deanna Destito. Today we have artist Dan Crosier with us today. How you doing?
Good. How you doing, Deanna?
I'm good. I'm good. So let's talk about what are you working on right now? What are your projects?
Uh, I I just finished up a children's comic with my girlfriend and partner, Elisa Sargent, Stanley Kaiju and the Subterranean Bunny Defenders, number two.
Oh,
So, we have a line of kid-friendly books that are just gonzo, just so much fun and vibrant and hilarious and weird.
I think your art is very unique. You do work on wood, so I kind of want to talk more about that.
It's real simple. I'll just, take whatever script I get. And like if somebody writes in prose, that gives me a lot of freedom to figure out what the beats are for
Mm.
that page, and then, I just lay it out like it's music. So it's like, okay, the big intro there, quick little action beat, and then the meat's going to be, yeah, and potatoes are going to be down here. Um, so I'll sketch that out, pretty much in pencil, and then lay out, some of the loose guidelines because I know, I'm going to go back into like something like this, and everything's just going to be saturated with lines.
Mm.
So I don't need to. There's a lot of forgiveness here in what this is. So I can go in and like I've got this nice little vulture guy
Mhm.
right here, just hanging out, just being real chill in somebody's backyard as vultures do, and you know. I'll draw in all the feathers, rough them out, and then it's just building and building, and it becomes initially it feels like architecture, with all the layered lines, and then it as I get going and I flow, and it's all ink. The finished work is all ink on wood over those pencils.
Okay.
The pencils are real loose, and whatever's left over I just erase. But it becomes kind of meditative, because I'm just layering in so many lines. Each ink is a little bit different too. It gets soaked into the wood differently at different rates. So sometimes it bleeds, sometimes it doesn't. I'm usually illustrating nowadays. If I do a wood piece, I'll do it on a birch ply or a birch veneer nowadays. So a real skinny piece of birch. But the nice thing about that kind of wood is it's very even grained.
Mhm.
So there's not going to be like usually isn't any unexpected divots or anything where your pen's going to catch and break it off. I am more of a generalist in that whatever door opens up, I'm curious, let's go down this door and see where this leads. And sometimes it's led me into filmmaking, and others it's led me into painting murals. Other ones it's led me into like doing gallery work or doing a sculpture or public art piece.
Mhm.
And then it comes back around, oh, the next comic book is due. Okay, I got to do that too. But they're all different avenues for storytelling. And that's all I see it as. And I don't want to reduce it that way, but yeah, I think that's the center point is it is just another platform for me to do another story just in this medium.
Thank you for watching another episode of Creator Corner. If you like what you're hearing, please make sure to check out the full interview at my Patreon. Click the link below. Nona Fasolo is watching.